You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2023 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.